Did you know Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, shrinks over time? Yes, you heard that right. As if plucked from a science fiction novel, this fascinating world is actually getting smaller. But how does a planet shrink, you might wonder? Well, the answer lies deep within Mercury's iron core. This core makes up about 65% of the planet's total mass, a proportion much larger than any other planet in our solar system. As this iron core cools down, it contracts. This contraction isn't a rapid process, mind you, but rather a slow, steady squeeze that's been happening over billions of years. Now let's imagine for a moment a balloon slowly deflating. As the air goes out, the balloon's surface wrinkles and folds in on itself. Something similar happens on Mercury. The planet doesn't deflate per se, but as the core contracts, the surface buckles under the strain. This results in the formation of cliffs and ridges that crisscross the planet's surface, some of which are up to a mile high and hundreds of miles long. These cliffs and ridges, or lobate scarps as they're scientifically known, were first discovered during the Mariner 10 mission back in the 70s. But it wasn't until the Messenger spacecraft's visit in the 21st century that the true extent of this global contraction was revealed. This ever-shrinking nature of Mercury is not just a unique planetary phenomenon but also a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our solar system. A constant reminder that even the seemingly eternal celestial bodies are subject to change, to evolution, and yes, even to aging. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, spare a thought for Mercury, the tiny planet that's been quietly shrinking for billions of years. Imagine, a planet that is slowly getting smaller, right in our own solar system. Ever wonder what lies at the center of this tiny planet? It's an oversized iron core. That's right, the heart of Mercury is made of iron, and it's not just any iron core. It's so large that it makes up approximately 42% of the planet's volume. Now, for a little comparison, Earth's iron core only makes up about 17% of its volume. Quite a difference, wouldn't you say? This substantial iron heart isn't just there for show though. It has a significant role to play. It's responsible for Mercury's magnetic field. While it's not as strong as Earth's, it's still pretty impressive, especially when you consider the size of the planet it's coming from. So, next time you're gazing up at the night sky, spare a thought for the little planet with the big heart. Mercury's iron heart not only gives it a magnetic personality but also a unique place in our solar system. Mercury is a planet of extremes, especially when it comes to temperatures. The little planet closest to the Sun, Mercury, is a world of stark contrasts and incredible temperature swings. Imagine a place where the daytime heat could melt lead, and yet, the chill of the night could freeze a lake solid. Mercury's thin atmosphere, or more accurately its near absence of one, plays a crucial role in these wild fluctuations. Unlike our home planet Earth, which has a thick blanket of atmosphere to trap and distribute the sun's heat, Mercury's exosphere is so thin it's practically non-existent. This means it has little to no ability to retain or spread heat. During the day, when Mercury is fully exposed to the blazing sun, temperatures can skyrocket to an astonishing 800 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to turn a pizza into a charred disk in a split second. But as the sun sets and night falls, the lack of an insulating atmosphere causes the accumulated heat to quickly escape into space. This rapid loss of heat plunges Mercury into a frigid night, with temperatures plummeting to a bone-chilling negative 290 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a staggering temperature drop of over 1,000 degrees from day to night. Such intense temperature variations make Mercury a rather inhospitable place for life as we know it. Any potential life form would have to endure blistering heat during the day, only to face a deep freeze once night falls, making survival a daunting, if not impossible, task. It's also worth noting that these extreme temperatures influence Mercury's landscape. The scorching days and freezing nights cause the planet's surface to contract and expand, leading to a craggy and fractured terrain. So, Mercury, a planet of temperature extremes, is a testament to the incredible diversity of our solar system. From fiery days to icy nights, Mercury is a world of temperature extremes. Mercury is a speedy little planet, living up to its name after the Roman messenger god. Nestled closest to the Sun, this compact celestial body races around our star at breakneck speed. In fact, it's the fastest planet in our solar system. Just imagine, while we here on Earth are taking 365 days to complete our orbit, Mercury is zipping around the Sun in a mere 88 Earth days. That's 4 times faster than our planet. This rapid orbit is due to Mercury's proximity to the Sun, the intense gravitational pull making it sprint in its celestial lane. This speed and Mercury's elliptical orbit also lead to some unique phenomena, like the sunrise that appears to go backwards. Incredible, isn't it? Mercury, a swift celestial body, truly embodies its namesake, the swift-footed Roman messenger god. Despite numerous expeditions, Mercury remains a planet shrouded in mystery. Its close proximity to the Sun has made it an extreme environment that's challenging to explore, yet it continues to captivate us with its unsolved mysteries. One of the most puzzling enigmas is the presence of water ice in permanently shadowed craters. Yes, you heard right, water ice on the planet closest to the Sun. These craters, forever hidden in darkness, hold temperatures that allow water ice to exist. How it got there and continues to remain despite the scorching heat surrounding these shadowy craters is a question that keeps scientists scratching their heads. The second mystery revolves around Mercury's thin atmosphere, or exosphere. It's so thin that the Sun's radiation should have blown it away, yet it's there, adding another layer of intrigue to this already fascinating planet. So with all the fascinating facts about Mercury, which one intrigued you the most?